Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a quick clean with me where I hope to provide you guys some motivation while you clean your floors along with me. I'm also going to be trying a viral cleaning hack where you add a Tide Pod, really hot or boiling water in your mop bucket to see how I like it. I want to see if it's worth it. I want to see if there's any residue left behind and if I really think it gets your floors any cleaner. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with vacuuming the entire floor first. If you guys have seen any of my previous clean with me's, you know that I usually use my Bissell Crosswave, which is a vacuum and mop in one. However, today, since it's been so long since I've done a deep clean on my floors, I am using my regular Shark vacuum, which has an amazing hard floor suction. So I'm going to be using this vacuum to clean and make sure I get all of the little crumbs up before I go ahead and mop. Today I'm going to be using the O-Cedar mop bucket, and it does keep the clean water separate from the dirty water, which I absolutely love. I will be boiling water, pouring it into the clean water tank, adding a Tide Pod, and then mopping. If you guys are new to my channel, I post cleaning, laundry, and organization motivation videos to my channel once a week. I would love for you guys to subscribe for weekly motivation and take a moment to like this video. On my Facebook and Instagram, I post the same content, but in short form and more frequently. So if you guys are interested in this type of content, but you love digesting it in short forms, please head over to my Instagram and Facebook, which I will link down below. I only used one Tide Pod in the mop water because I was a little bit worried about like residue or if it would feel sticky or anything like that when the water dried. But using one Tide Pod seemed to really work for me. I did have to change the water 4 times when I was mopping the house. So I did end up using 4 Tide Pods, but overall, I think that the cleaning hack works. I didn't see too big of a difference with the floors like versus like a Mr. Clean cleaner or just cleaning it with like a regular mop solution. I think the Bissell Crosswave does a much better job than I do like manually mopping, especially with the Tide Pod. But it really did a good job and the whole house smells really fresh. I didn't notice any residue or anything. So if this is something that you need to do in a cleaning pinch where you don't have any cleaning solution or anything like that and you do have a Tide Pod, I think that it's a great alternative. I don't think that I would use a Tide Pod and mop water for cleaning the floors again. Just based off the price alone for Tide Pods, I would definitely prefer to save those for laundry and use like a Mr. Clean or something that I know is safe for floors in the future. If you guys have tried this cleaning hack, please let me know how it worked for you and if you still used it or if you just tried it once like I did. Also, if you have any variations of this hack where you add maybe some other ingredients, I would also love to hear that in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and were able to get motivated to get something around your house done with me today. I thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.